Your hiccups aren't random. They're a message. Most people think hiccups just happen, but chronic hiccups are actually your vagus nerve crying for help. This nerve controls your digestion, heart rate, and emotional balance. When it's damaged, hiccups become a warning signal. Daily hiccups. Your digestive system is struggling. Stress-triggered hiccups. Your emotional regulation is breaking down. Late-night hiccups. Your recovery system is failing. Your vagus nerve remembers every trauma, every meal, every breath. Stop ignoring the signals. Your body is trying to tell you something important.